Hey guys, Miss Elder here. Today you're going to be doing another quizzes, okay? It's a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Today's going to be for a grade, so you might need to do it more than once. And there are a few challenges ahead of you, okay? Nothing that I know that you can't get through. I want to just review a little bit things that we've already learned, okay? So this first strategy to solve 2-digit by 2-digit is just standard algorithm. Don't forget our chant. Up and over and down with the zero, over and up and add. Okay. Our second strategy is the distributor property. Now remember, 45 is just 40 plus 5. So I can take the 40 and distribute it to the 72 plus 5 times 72. Okay, so here's my 72 times 40 plus 72 times 5. And that's not the only way that you could break it up. This is just one example. Okay, and then you have your two partial products to add to make your total product. Our third strategy, this should be very familiar, is the distributive property. Okay, so here I have my 45 times 72. So I take my tens times my tens, because really that's 70 and that's 40 to get my partial product, times 70 times 5. Then you have your 2 times 40 plus your 2 times 5. So of course, now you take your 4 partial products, add them to find your total product. Our fourth strategy, okay, this is just doing partial products with standard algorithm. Notice though that we're going to be using the same partial products from here. Okay, so I have my 5 ones times 2 ones to get 10. I have my 5 ones times 70, because that's in the tens place, to get 350. Then I'm going to go to my tens place. So that's now 40 times 2, which is our 80. And then my 40 times 70 to get 2,800. Then I have my partial products, add them to find your total product. Notice how my partial products are the same numbers there. One more thing I want to pull your attention to. This is going to be one of your questions on your quizzes, and I thought it looked a little bit challenging, so I want to talk about it for a minute. It says, the teachers work on school things for about 12 hours a day. How many hours do they work in 3 weeks? Well, do you notice they tell you it's 12 hours a day, then they ask you about 3 weeks. So I need to figure out how many days is in 3 weeks. So there's 7 days in a week. So 3 weeks will be 7 times 3, which is 21 days. Now that I know how many days are in 3 weeks, now I can multiply it times my 12 hours. So 21 times 12, I did standard algorithm to get 252 hours that the teacher worked. Hope this is helpful. Don't forget to post your grade. Also, when you're on quizzes, use your actual name so that when I look at the reports, I know whose grade is who. Thanks, guys.